Hello guys, this is Claude from Drones Travels. Today we got an unboxing. I had this sent to me for my to use on my motorhome. I really appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, if you take a minute to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future updates. Okay, and also this video is supported by Whiskey Creek Campgrounds in Custer, Michigan. I will enclose information from the campgrounds as well when I get done here in this video.
Hi, I'm Michelle.
Say me. Names.
Hi, I'm Norm from Whiskey Creek Campground.
About now. All right, first thing first, we got to cut our bands off here. Like so. Oh, we got metal in there, guys. Let's see here. We're cutting some tape. Lowe's cobalt knife, in case you're wondering. Tape all the way around on it. They didn't want it to get away here. Covina Accessories LLC sent this to me, so let's get it off. Get the little top off here. There we go. Stack down there. We'll stack stuff in it. Let's see what we got here. First, we got. If I can get it out, we'll be all set. Okay, more tie wraps. That goes to figure. This is supposedly a kit which will have the cargo net and everything in it. So we'll find out here. We'll get her out. We'll get it out. Then I'll kind of place it. Pack it in there. Oh, okay, there's part of it. Right there. One half. We'll get it out. We'll get it out here. A little bit of camera magic. We got it out here, guys. This is the carrier. This will obviously mount on the back of my motorhome for us to carry some stuff on. So I just want to do this unboxing and show you some of the stuff here. First thing, we got a bag here. It's got the cargo netting and hooks. We got a box here of miscellaneous bolts. I ain't going to open them up. I'm just going to wait and do that. we got our plates, which actually going to go right here to connect these together. And of course, this is a tip up, so here's our hitch mount, as well as the extension for it right here. So, and of course they give you an instruction sheet right here, which you should probably look at, but I'm going to just play it by ear. So the next part of this video, I'm not going to bore you. I'm going to do the build up of it, and then I'll put that up here as well. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Bye bye. Alright, now we're assembling the AA Products Incorporated cargo carrier for the back of my motorhome. I got it kind of pieced together, these plates here, and you're going to build it along with me. So let's get started here and get this thing done. So you're going to see that. You won't see too much of me in the picture. I apologize for that, but I'm sure you're here to see one of these put together. I'm gonna piece it all together with all the bolts, and we'll go ahead and we'll tighten it down. Make sure we get everything tight. What's really cool is they pieced everything together. All these nuts, they're all the bolts, the washers, and the nut. It's all assemblies. You just got to take them apart and put it together. So you got to stare and look for a nut and a washer. It's already in assembly for you. Just in the hole here. There we go. Got to piece this all together. Reason I got with them on this is I need something to carry a bunch of stuff, that because we're taking another family with us. Our friends and their dog are going along, so there'll be 2 dogs and a whole bunch of little kids. 2 dogs and a bunch of adults. There's 4 of us, and our 2 dogs are going. So they have 2 shorter bolts which go into the bottom, which are right here. You can see them right there. The little shorter fellers, they go in the bottom holes. I'm going to piece this all together, and I'll go through and tighten it up after we're done here. Then the longer ones, the longer bolts, which are right here, are going to go. And I've been using keeps popping up on my phone. I've been using this intro on my live streams, and now the guy's being a jerk, and I'm getting copyright claims. All I do is I delete the music. Prior to that, it was all cool. You could use it. Then they change their mind, and then they start putting copyright claims against you and all that stuff. So it won't affect my channel. I just go through there and mute it, and they can do what they want. Nobody makes revenue off me. I work too hard, so. Get this all pieced together. Then we got to flip this over. I'm gonna piece it together. Then I'm gonna go tighten up everything after we get done here. We got to flip it over, just like so. About 70 pounds it weighs, so it's not. Okay, we got to have this fella. Let's see which way we go. We got double holes. The double holes gonna go just like so. If I'm not mistaken, the 2 holes go out. Double checking. Yep, they go out. Just like so. Then we got these bolts. Gotta go through. No, this is not from Harbor Freight. Believe it or not, I tried getting one from there and can't get them. They were out of stock. I'm looking at my instructions as we talk, as I do this, guys, so bear with me. Oh my goodness. We got different size bolts here. Let's see here. Let's see here. Figuring this out as we go. And this bolt here doesn't go there. That's why we're different. Alright, then we're going to go right here. And I just kind of like to put all of my stuff, get it till all the nuts on the same side and everything else. That's just the way I am. Kind of picky that way. There we go. Alright. Then we have our plate, which is right here. Because we're upside down. This is going to be our pivot point. And let's see here, we want it to tip up. I'm not mistaken. I'm going to be able to tip it. Yep. I got a lot of stuff to carry. Hopefully I can pack it all on here. See, then now this should tip up, just like so. We got two bolts. There's a hitch pin here. It's gonna go right here. Get her lined up here. Get our hitch pin in, just like so. Then we got this pin here, which will go through your hitch of your car, and they give you, there's two holes, so you can, depending on what you need to do, they give you a little bit of adjustment here. Okay, then we got this, and we got a plate, which is right here. This plate goes over top of, gotta make sure I get this going the right direction here. It will go basically, take this off, put him over here. U-bolts off. Yeah, we're leaving Friday morning for our trip, so that's when our travels will start. This will go here. That will go right there. Put a nut on. Put a nut here. I'm just piecing this together because I got to adjust all this, but Okay, that's the gist of it. We got our piece together. Then what I'll do now is I'm going to stop here. I'll get everything tightened up. We'll get her on the motorhome and we'll go through the adjustment and what it looks like when it's done. Catch you back. Okay, guys. This will be probably my last update for our travels. As you can see, everything's ready. It's all cleaned up. Well, somewhat cleaned up. I'm going to give it one more bath before I go. But it's all ready. Mechanically, it's good. I've checked, double checked, and rechecked everything. Got everything all set for it. I got to basically load our clothes and our perishable foods. Then we'll be ready to get on our way. I picked this up. It was sent to me. The videos will be out there. To put our cooler. You can see it. We got it in here. Sits my grill. Got our cooler sitting here. We got our rug for the outside sitting here. Everything else. So we got room. We can put a couple more things in there. So we're gonna fine tune that stuff. But that's all on there. So everything's ready to go. We're leaving Friday morning. We're gonna be on the road by 8 o'clock. And we're heading to UP with it. So we got to make some fuel stops, but obviously you guys will be riding along with me. I'll have cameras going, camera set up, and yep, this is I've officially named this. It's called the Razor Quest, and because I love the Mandalorian. And if we look up in the window, Baby Yoda's looking out. So, yep, we're all ready to go. Getting excited now. If the rain is done, which I hope, hopefully it is, then at this point we will be cleaning it up for the final cleanup and heading out. Tomorrow, the rest of the day, I think I got everything all done. Everything's ready to go. I just got everything sitting on the back for us to try it out and see if we got it for placement. But then we're going to be getting on the road. So if you're new to my channel, please, if you will, like, subscribe, comment, and give me a thumbs up. It's always about positivity on YouTube. So give me a thumbs up. Let me know you appreciate my videos. And we'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everybody. And have safe travels if you're going on the road as well. Bye-bye.